Welcome to this 10-minute stress-busting breathing meditation. This guided session is designed to help you relax and find relief from overwhelming stress, brought about by the pressures and demands of your everyday life. In the midst of the chaos and rapid pace of the modern world, it is important to create a sacred space and allocate precious moments for your personal well-being, giving top priority to nurturing and maintaining your mental health. Embarking on a 10-minute guided meditation journey can hold great significance in your life, ushering in profound transformations and make a profound impact on your overall well-being. To begin, find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into this space, allowing yourself to let go of any external distractions. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries that may be weighing you down. Repeat this cycle of deep breathing for a few more rounds. Allowing each breath to naturally bring you a sense of relaxation and calmness. Now, bring your hands to your chest, resting them gently against your heart. Inhale deeply, feeling your chest expand with each breath. Hold your breath for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly, allowing all the stress and tension to melt away. Continue with this breathing technique. Inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling fully through your mouth. With each inhalation, imagine breathing in positivity, peace, and relaxation. And with each exhalation, imagine releasing any stress, worry, or negativity from your body and mind. Now, shift your focus to your inhalations. Take slow and deep breaths. In through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely. As you exhale, Visualize and feel the stress and tension, leaving your body with each breath. With each inhale, imagine that you are drawing in a soothing, healing energy. Picture this energy flowing through your body, replenishing and revitalizing every cell. And with each exhale, imagine that you are releasing all the accumulated stress, tension, and worry from your body. Letting go of anything that no longer serves you. As you continue this mindful breathing, notice how your breath becomes slower and deeper, naturally guiding you into a state of relaxation and peace. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, and simply focus on the gentle rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this present moment. Feeling the weight of the world lift off your shoulders. Feel the calming sensation of each breath, creating space and clarity within. Take a few more moments to breathe deeply and consciously. Allowing the relaxation to deepen with each breath. Feel a sense of tranquility spreading throughout your entire being, restoring balance and harmony within. Thank you for joining me in this 10-minute stress-busting breathing meditation. At this moment, I hope you are now feeling more relaxed and at ease. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of calm. Amidst the busyness of life. If you found this meditation helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more stress-reducing techniques and guided meditations. Until next time, may you find peace and serenity in every breath you take.